This might be a little goofy. I have been trying to do pistol squats and I cannot seem to do them. Tried it, but with just going onto a chair and coming up, not very good. Tried it with a ball against the wall, a big yoga ball, not working. So this is my third try of trying a new way to try to do this pistol squats. Wish me luck. All right. Okay, I'm going to use this to help me get up. But I'm going to use as much of my glutes as I can, but not very much apparently. I use more of my arms. God dang. Okay, 2 down. I think I might go for 3, but let's see if I can go for more. Okay, that was good. That one was better. This is a better way of holding it, I think. Maybe not. Okay, that was 3 1/4. Okay, we're going for 4. I mean, this 3 on this side and 1/4. So how am I doing that? I'm doing it. Right, this might be better. Oh my god. Okay, well, that one was easier because I figured out the way. All right, we'll do more when we can.